Alright, so I'm going to do another sound check before I take the system apart. So I'm going to play two different songs. So we got the MC252 power amp, the C2200 tube amp, the Music Streamer 2 DAC laptop, and the Martin Logan ESL speakers. So I'm going to throw this back and get some tunes going. So we'll start off with Modern Day by Migos.
Yeah, let's take a modern day stroll. This is the modern day hoe. Last time I checked, we was running the globe. I'm about to go figure four. Two not two times, it's a brick at the door. Somebody blowing up, little mama phone, little nigga Jack, come get your hoe. I'm talking paddock on the wrist, book, get it going, dance on the big. You know that bitch too thick, you can't even see the pants on that bitch. The way that we spinning in Hellcats, going tabs on the kick. She wanna pop a G6, she sucking on dick until 6. I make a movie, I'm going Michael Bay, Huncho the Sensei. The way that I'm moving, we going motorcade with a tactical way. I need the back in this way, somebody packing this way. She get the clapping that way, don't got the answers like sway. Fuck it, I'm coolin', I'm in the cool with the top and I'm waving the cooler. Wait, switch it, go doodle, with a bad bitch and I play with her mind and a coochie. I'm still ratatouille, I got a pot that's so big it look like Chattahoochee. We not the Fugees, I go fool it if a nigga try to Three Stooges. Break down, nigga. Break down, nigga. Yeah. Break a bitch down, nigga. Break a bitch down, nigga. Yeah. Word around town, nigga. Heard your ass get around, nigga. Get the fuck around, nigga. He ain't even from the town, nigga. Take off. Where the fuck he came from? When she see the down, she giving me some. The rapper can't read like a blonde. Just like the sun. I got her around with a drum. Keep smoking my lungs. Arabian bitch in the passenger seat. Now she got an illegal bomb. Look at the charm. Rainbow Daytona, I like it charm the arm. That bitch is born. Oh, that's your man, come get it, can't help it, she gone. Got up a bad, but no ain't torn. Bidding my money, I think it's annoying. Pop me a perk with a couple of perk when I hop in the perk with no key and I'm storm. BB the belt and I'm BB the arm. Hop on the PJ, go visit the farm. Ain't throwing out the whatever you want. Put the little boy, come on when it grown. I know some niggas got rich off the zone. Made up a digits of apple, I found. Throw that shit on, I get fly like a drone. Put dick in the one, she won't leave me alone. Cap of the bones, the wallet is chrome. They say that the op, but love in the song. Eat it down when they come around and then go and put everything we got on. If I got a plate, you know that they ate. I'm too blessed, and one thing I can't do is say. I love what you're doing, just humble yourself. And know we the ones that open the gate. Break down, nigga. Break down, nigga. Yeah. Break a bitch down, nigga. Break a bitch down, nigga. Yeah. Word around town, nigga. Heard your ass get around, nigga. Get the fuck around, nigga. He ain't even from the town, nigga. Big body you, big fast in the theory. Grip in my man, watch the rear of the mirror. The gas on my neck on the leg, I'm superior. 250 each check, what you say, I can't hear. She does my prices, they lower than zero. She right the speed it up by the gear. Dropped out of school cause I didn't wanna hear. I was thinking about making an illiterate. Got my shit off the block. 17 hot trying to pop on the block. Fuck that, bitch, I had to go and get a nap. I was on the block, they ain't know about a gap. Sticking my crack, all of my wax. Burberry shots, I was curving the fat. Got baby kicking your Birkin, why not? Bought an AK, fell in love when I shot. Beat them in dope, we beat them in hoes, we beat them in clothes, we beat them in Lambos in a row. Hold up my wrist, it got rocks like hoes. Most of my kids don't talk no more. I'm stuffing dick in the back of this hoe. My roller got skitters, you taste the rainbow. Keep down the delay, I'm Doc Curtis blow. Dropping the load on the low and it go. Bad, but bitch ain't got nothing to give. I'm a cat in this industry, I got some kids. She wanna fuck me, I know I can see it. Check on some cop niggas jump off a bridge. I had her drop on the up and we slid. I don't be gambling my dog, that's the weed. Make the money 8 ways, I'ma squeeze. He tellin', he yellin', he work with the pigs. Break down, nigga. Break down, nigga. Yeah. Break a bitch down, nigga. Break a bitch down, nigga. Yeah. Word around town, nigga. Heard your ass get around, nigga. Get the fuck around, nigga. He ain't even from the town, nigga.
Alright, so these are still my favorite speakers ever. They're just so lively, the soundstage they make. Does make a huge difference though, the objects that are around them. So, currently in the process of assembling a home theater setup. So ignore the couches messed up and everything else. But still, these things pound. So now I'm going to do one last song, Morgan Madison, Feels Like, but the chill mix. Still, hands down, favorite speakers so far. Alright, well, I hope y'all enjoyed this. It's the last little bit of music this system's gonna play for a while. So it's getting disassembled and the theater setup's coming in. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And tune in for more audio, cars, and motorcycle content. Peace.